Hello friends, in this video we will see how to download and install Python latest version, that is 3.14.2 on Windows 11 or 10 or servers. Process is same on all Windows operating systems. First go to Python official website and download. It is python.wars. Hit enter. See here the latest release is Python 3.14. Okay, click on downloads. See here the latest release is Python 3.14.2. See here we have two types of downloads, Python installer manager and standalone installer. Okay, in this video I am going to download and install Python standalone installer. Click on this Python 3.14.2. See, download started. No need to register, no need to pay anything. See, download is completed. Now click on this Python 3.14.2 exe file. See here we have two options, install now or customize installation. Install now, it will take default values, but customize installation you can optionally select the location and features. Okay, and also check the checkboxes. Use administrative privileges when installing py.exe. Add python.exe to path, then click on customize installation. See, optionally you can select these features. Okay, whatever you want you can select. I want to select all, then click on next. See, this is the installation location. If you want some other location, click on browse and select the path where you want to install. Then see here the advanced options like install Python 3.14 for all users and download these debugging symbols, debug binaries, free threaded binaries, whatever you want you can select. In this video I am going to select all features, then click on install. This is the way. See, this is the customized installation location. Click on install now. See, installation has been started. See, installation is completed. Now click on close. Okay. Now go to all applications, then go to the Python folder. See here we have the Python 3.14. See here we have the idle, shell and docs. Okay, manuals or docs, both are. So first we will see idle, then we will see Python shell, then command prompt. Okay, so open idle. Now we can run the Python programs. Hit enter. See, got the output. Even if you want sum of two numbers like 45 plus 100, okay, whatever you want you can perform here, or you can declare the variables as well. V equals to 100, T equals to 20, C equals to V plus T. See, we got the sum of these two variables. Okay, this is one way of executing. The other tool is Python shell. See here we have the Python shell. Click on it. See, we have installed 3.14. Here also see here 3.14. You can run the same commands here. Next one is CMD, that is command prompt. Type Python. See, we have connected to Python 3.14.2. Okay, we can run the same queries whatever we have performed here. Okay, so we have successfully installed Python 3.14.2 on Windows operating systems. Okay, for more Python tutorials, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.